delete your Instagram account, you first have to navigate to the bottom right corner where you see this profile icon and tap on it. And then with this selected, proceed to the top right corner where you see this 3 ellipses and tap on it. And this will redirect you to an interface like this. And the account center, make sure to tap on it. And then proceed to scroll down and tap on personal details. And this will redirect you to an interface like this where we have contact info, birthday, account ownership and control. And this is where the magic will happen. Make sure to tap on account ownership and control. And with this selected, now we have the option for deactivation or deletion. So I'm going to proceed to tap on it and then continue to tap on the account that you want to deactivate or delete. In order for me to delete my account, I have to make sure I toggle on delete account, then proceed to tap on continue. And that's it. You have successfully deleted your Instagram account. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comments section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.